Hey, this is Emily from WP Fusion, and in today's video we're going to talk about how you can redirect users when they log into your WordPress website based on a tag that they have in your CRM. I'm going to show you how you can do all of this with WP Fusion. Alright, so this tutorial is going to require an extra plugin WP Fusion has to offer. It's available on the WP Fusion website. It's an extension created by the WP Fusion team. But what this plugin does once it's installed and activated, and that's going to be the logins plugin, in case you're curious, when that's installed and activated under Settings, WP Fusion, Logins, there will be some new options that we can use to determine what happens when users log into our WordPress website. For example, we can apply a tag when a user first logs in. We can apply tags to old accounts that haven't logged in for a specified number of time. But what we're talking about in this video is the login redirect rules, which is down here. So we can add a login redirect rule. So if a user has purchased the Soulmate course, we can redirect them to the course directly once they log in. Now, on this example of a WP Fusion website, I'm actually running an online course example. So I'm selling an online course here, the Soulmate Attraction Playbook. And so what I want to do with Settings WP Fusion is say, when somebody logs in and they have this tag, I want to redirect them instantly to the course page. So once they log in, they're immediately where they're supposed to be going. Now that's just one use case for this. You could potentially have different types of users on your website. For example, right now I'm working with an organization that does nursing education. So there's people who are entering the corporate space with nursing, nurses who are needing education around HIPAA, and there are plan managers, people who put together healthcare plans. So there's corporate, nurses, and people who put together healthcare plans. If I were to have a tag for each of these people who are logging into my website, these three different types of users, in my CRM, I could redirect users to the appropriate place on the website depending on what type of user they are. That's just one example for this redirect rule. You can also add multiple redirect rules, and they can kind of be conditional off of each other, and certain ones can take precedent over others. Another cool thing you can do with redirect rules is you can say when someone logs in 10 times, so this is on the 10th login, and maybe you want to require on the 10th login, I want people with this tag to see this upsell. For example, if I'm selling a course, like I am on this website, if I want to say on the 10th login, anyone who has this course, I'm going to redirect them to an upsell page that tries to sell them on another program that I have to offer. We could also apply tags. On the 10th login, apply the login 10 times tag. Whatever data you want to track in your CRM, WP Fusion helps a lot with tracking all of that from WordPress, but you can also say every N login. So every 10 logins, if you've purchased the Soulmate course, I want to promote you an upsell. So a lot of options there, and these rules, there can be multiple rules, they can stack on top of each other, and it's really cool to see these in action. So when someone logs into your WordPress website, potentially from an LMS tool or just from a WordPress login, these redirect rules will apply. You can also count the logins once a day on site visit, or when the user actually logs in. So if I log in on my computer and then later log in on my phone, that might be 2 times I logged in one day. So you can determine if you want these redirect rules up top to be counted once a day or every single time the user logs in. So that's the logins plugin from WP Fusion and the main things that it does, including redirect based on login. Let us know in the comments below if you have any questions, and we'll see you in the next video. If you want to see more content like this and further documentation on this tutorial, check out our website, wpfusion.com. You'll find all kinds of resources in addition to what we have on our YouTube channel, and we hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.